naman tayo magdi-default? We never defaulted from any obligation to any international organization with respect to loans for countries. Bakit naman tayo nagbabayad? Number two, they've been saying that bakit daw yung kontrata pabor sa China? Eh bakit? Hindi ba pag nag-uutang tayo, meron ba tayong say? When we loan from the bank, it's always the terms of the bank. Natural lang yun na they will make sure na hindi sila malulugi sa kanilang pinautang sa atin.
Sir, can you interpret for us, sir, yung Article 8 provision ng sa contract, no? If I may read, and I quote, waiver of immunity. The borrower hereby irrevocably waives any immunity in the grounds of sovereign or otherwise for itself or its property in connection with any arbitration proceeding pursuant to yada yada or with the enforcement of any arbitral. But this one, notwithstanding the foregoing, the borrower does not waive any immunity of its assets which are used by a diplomatic or I'll just show it to you later. But do you think that's the right interpretation of the justice?
As
That
I said,
we will waive?
even assuming that that is true, I understand that this is a standard contract. Whenever our country gets loans from other countries, others, hindi ganyan. But you cannot also blame the lender if they will impose certain terms na pabor sa kanila. Eh, tayo umuutang eh. But as I said, we never did not pay our loans. Lahat ng loans binayaran natin. Kaya siguro malakas ang loob natin. Yung mga who entered into a contract. Dahil yun naman in the event that you
Default.
cannot pay. Alam naman nilang makakabayad tayo. So, parang useless provision yun.
But sir, you're not denying that that is a possibility that China can seize the Reed Bank as alleged with the justice. If, I mean, maganda sana yung term
Sa akin,
default.
it's not a possibility kasi we will never naman renege.
What if we do? I mean,
Hindi nga, never nangyari sa atin yan eh.
no, what if
We're
we...
known for paying our obligations.
Pero sir, kung halimbawa nga, I mean, kasama-samaan na bigla tayong hindi
Ako, sa
makabayad.
tingin ko, kaya sila pumasok dyan kasi alam nila hindi mangyayari.
Pero is that an assurance that it will not happen, the allegation?
It will never happen kasi nga we pay. Saka lit lang naman. Magkano ba? $92 million? Magkano lang yun?
Sige, sir,
Okay,
na-
follow-up, Ina.
Sir, tama po ba rin yung sinasabi ni Justice Carpio that if in case we do default on our loan, yung magiging arbitration case basically is too much in favor of China because it will be formed by 3 members, tapos 2 sa China. So parang kumbaga automatic or malamang daw matatalo tayo if it gets to that.
Again, as I've stated, to my mind, just like bank institutions, when they lend, they impose terms to make sure na mababayaran sila. Eh siguro itong mga pumasok dyan, mga economic managers natin, alam nilang never naman mangyayari, kaya binigay nila. Because it will never happen.
Is that a prudent decision to make?
Prudent.
Na parang lugi tayo knowing na lugi tayo
Eh wala
in
ka naman.
such a
Do you have
scenario.
do you have any say when you're borrowing money? O sabihin nila, di wag na lang, hindi na lang kami pairam sa inyo. O since alam mo naman na, babayaran naman namin yan kahit ano pang imposition nyo dyan wala rin mangyayari dyan sa mga terms nyo.
Thank you, sir.
Rosalie Cos and then Pian.
Sir, bilang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel din, hindi ho ba labag sa saligang batas na gawing garantiya yung likas na yaman ng bansa sa utang sa China?
I don't think so. Kasi yan ang standard nga ng mga terms ng kanilang Saka isa pa, it's not even clear whether or not yung patrimonial assets is as defined by the Constitution, ours, or their Constitution. O hindi, tama yung, kasi napanood ko si Batong Bakal kanina. Sinasabi niya na, hindi mo natin alam kung ano bang definition ng patrimonial assets sa sa definition ng Pilipino, definition nila. Kasi wala naman nakalagay sa kontrata, which... Ha? Hindi, with respect nga sa patrimonial assets na pwede mo, anong definition nila nun? But nevertheless, as I say, siguro kaya talaga malakas ang loob kasi we never rinig eh. Kita mo yung ano na ba yung utang natin sa ano nga yung energy? O nuclear power, kita mo yun, ilang bilyon yun, tambayanan natin. Eh, hindi nga natin nagamit yun. Ito pang Chico Jam, nagagamitin natin. Parang in the realm of speculation and improbability.